All right. Today is May the 20th, and I'm gonna be doing a breakdown of the trades that I took today. Where is it? I have to switch the thing. Subbar. All right. Um. So to start the day off, I think this was a short. I took it off this volume order block, and I probably used the right version of this, which I usually don't do, but I did it this time. Actually, I don't know what I took this off of, but it's probably some OTE related thingy. Hold on. That time have to learn to hunt. Yeah, knowing me, I probably took it somewhere. Uh, uh, It was probably off of like a. Oh, actually, I can use replay mode. Hold on. Hold on. So hold on. Where is it? Oh, they're gone. Hold on. Short. 20 points. Blown through. Another shorts. I actually got sick of this. 20 points. Uh, this would have played out, and my target was like this low, but I went break even. Like when it went down, I went break even, and then I got ticked out, and it dumped after. Next trade we have this long right here. Uh, I think why did I do this? I think it was just 705 or something like that. But I didn't want to risk it, so I just left the trade. I saw some signs of rejection. 20 point stop, right? Uh, and then the last trade was this trade right here. I don't remember if it was a top tick. Let me see. Balance history. Where is it? That's for that trade, right? Think so. You know, this is the break even. This short right here, it was at 11:01. Order history. Why doesn't it say? That's annoying. Positions, orders, filled. It's not showing it for some reason. Let me do the 11:01. Is it not there? That's right here. So I got filled at 29,200. 29,200. What the hell is it talking about? Was it on NQ? 29,200. Yeah, whatever, bro. I'm gonna just tell you because I have no idea what this is talking about. I took the short. I was in the wick. 20 points. Went break even fast. This candle right here went me break even, so I left the trade. Um, and then that's it. This trade right here. This was a short. I got the very top of this wick, 20 point stop, right? However, this was limit. I was low key not paying attention at all. I wasn't on the charts, and I think my TP was like somewhere down here. Crazy TP, I know, but we ended up getting about what is that like 100 points, 90 points before we ended up going back up. Well, yeah. And then for the last trade, it was this trade right here, a few hours ago, top of the wick. 20 points, break even. I think I'll start getting down here. Right now, I'm gonna explain all my trades. This trade, I'm assuming. Actually, I don't have to assume. I have replay mode. Um, it was probably off of this low value node and this order block, right? So you just take a trade right here, short, or I don't have to do that. But you see, enter right there. You have a teeny tiny reaction, and then you just pump up stop loss. Right. I would have probably gone break even after this too, after the sweep. But next trade we have I genuinely forgot what this was off. Oh yeah, we have these order blocks right here serving as a type of high resistance zone. We have our minus 2.5. I think after this initial projection, I just put my limit at the CE of the thing and we banged out. That works very well. Waiting for ejection, then putting your sell limit or buy limit at the CE of the wick that made the ejection. Then you just bang out, right? Except what I did was after this retrace went break even, this candle stopped me out, right? Uh, all right, next. I think what was this off of? Yo, I forget these mad easily. Standard deviation. We have 2.5 right there. We have this low value node, and we have this order block right here. I took this, and I don't think we had any like crazy OTE that lined up with this. Um, what I'm not too sure. Hold on. Oh yeah, we also had 705, so that's a very good OTE level. I could have probably taken it right here, gotten a slightly lower bottom tick by a single point. It's not worth much anyways. We banged out on that, right? I have no idea why my TP was here. I think it's off of this order block or like one order block or something like that. Then longs again. You could have probably taken it after this tap. Maybe put your longs at the CE of the wick. You do get left behind in the end. But after this, you could probably just put it at CE. 20 points. You get stopped up. Who knows? The next trade, we were bullish for the day. You see these crazy wicks at the bottom, right? Loki, bro. I don't know if I was looking at chart, but you probably just limit right there. Yep, we tap back in. I'm telling you guys, this indicator, RTH standard deviation, it works very, very well. You see, we tap back in, we get. I mean, I would be on personally, but either way, I would have just. Would I have taken this? Probably not, because the standard deviation doesn't line up very well. So distance, all of this, but who knows? Maybe I would have taken that. All right. For this trade, yo, I low key already forgot what that trade was off of, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Uh, -2 doesn't line up with it. It's probably Oats. Yeah, I remember seeing this massive red zone, and then we're inside this indicator right here. So I was looking for shorts anywhere inside of here. Oh yeah, and then we see this rejection. I'm like, damn, I might have missed out. So I just limited the CE of it, or like near the CE, eyeballed it. Took a CE. Then we banged out. Come on. Wait, what? Oh yeah, yeah, whatever. We would have banged out if my stop loss wasn't so crazy. If I was actually in the trade though, I would have probably brought it like right here to account for this rejection block. I'm not trying to get tapped out by my own rejection block, or just like edged, right? Uh, I'm gonna see if we go anywhere, right? We went up. I'm gonna just free roll this, see if that would work. No, it wouldn't. I think we actually got. I think I did this in the actual trading view, and I got left behind. But we have this one motor block rejection. I'm probably just gonna take this. Just ignore the like what I'm doing right here. Unless it's marked, just ignore it. I'm just eyeballing these. All right. And this last trade, it was just off the rejection block. We weren't in a very low value area, but we had this rejection block and the volume order block, and we were in the indicator. So I took the short. Uh, we went down a little bit, but in the end, we ended up, losing on that. So that's I guess. I mean, we did end up bullish, and yeah, that's all how I got all my trades for the day. Uh, all right, I'm gonna finish that, and I'm gonna do a quick backtesting video. Actually, we're low key chopping. I'm gonna just take this ticket off the CEO. This would that work? No, I would have gotten stopped out. Yo, guys, I'm telling you, volume order blocks work very well, bro. Look at that. You tap it and you just skyrocket up, bro. Could you have taken it? 2.5, maybe 2.25 traders. You have that. It's not a low volume, but at all. But on the 15 minute, do you have like a block or something? Not really. You have the CE of the block, and I think just taking it somewhere in there that should be good enough. Get about 88 points before market close. That's not bad at all. I'm gonna just upload the video now, and that's how I bottom ticked and top ticked took some losses on May 20th. All right.